I'm a professional. You already know it. Yeah. This thing needs to be tilted down a bit. Like that. Where's your line?
Up.
That's a good fish. Oh,
that was a good fish.
Man. Yeah, turn up my.
Yeah, that was a good one.
If I didn't have my drag set so loose, I would have got him.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully.
I'm using a baby for got 2 fish on it. Lost the bait. I'm gonna buy a bait caster tomorrow.
Depends on how much they are.
They have some cheap ones that are pretty good, like the ugly stuff.
Yeah.
I had that for a while. It was like $50. It was really good. You just gotta learn how to use it.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta go to my college.
Right here. Did I?
He texted me 1 in the morning. What did he say? Password for the YouTube channel. There's this black guy and he's like, back in Jamaica, we used to fish, and one time I caught a seagull and I had to shoot it. He's a nice guy.
Caught a seagull.
Huh?
Caught a seagull.
Caught a seagull and he had to shoot it. Get green oil.
Oh, the wind pushed mine.
That's fine, I'm already past it.
Oh, my wind's pushing me to you anyway. How should we both catch a fish?
Huh?
How should we both catch a fish?
You got any old GoPros, real ones?
Hmm?
Got any old real GoPros?
No.
Hopefully Best Buy.
I bet you they will. Spin around real quick. Yeah.
Pretty sure Cabela sells them.
Even like a Hero 3 is good. They still do 1080p.
Yeah. You can get mics.
Spot. Phew. Hey! Told you it was a good spot. Yeah. Don't poke me. Put your gills down, man. Yeah. Okay, geez, calm down.
Oh yeah, there's a lake.
That's for us, right in between the two docks.
Really? That's sick.
I'm like, this is a good spot, and then I just casted once and I got one. Bro, what's with the ducks?
Yeah, I know they're everywhere.
I'm gonna cast another one, see if I can catch them. That'd be funny. 2 in a row. On the dock.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is like a golden spot.
That's crazy. bit better one?
Yeah, a bit.
I'll make a cast and then watch me catch nothing.
That'd be funny. Oh, that's a bad one. Look at that. Right down in. This is where I need your lure extractor.
It's at home.
I can't. I might need your help with this one. I can't see.
I don't catch one.
I
Come over?
Yeah. I can't see the lure because my fingers are in his mouth.
Grab my paddle.
It's a bad one.
Oh, I almost got it.
He's bleeding a bit.
Oh.
Yeah, just let him go. Let him go.
Got him.
Got him. God damn. Okay, I'm just gonna back off. Oh, that's a nice weed bed. It does.
Also looks really good for snags.
It does. Snags on snags. I think my lure's messed up. Well, maybe not. Jeez. I might just use a head mount from now on because every time I change view, it just... I don't have nowhere to put my chest mount right now. Braden gave me my head mount. What, the chest mount?
Yeah.
With no camera? Okay. Braden has my head mount. I can use it. I don't know. Haven't checked. One. Oh, I got a monster. Oh, yeah. Monster fish. Ow. That's good. You didn't even cross. I can see him. What are you using? Oh. Oh, guess I didn't get that one. I swear. This thing? Oh, I thought I was going to get stuck. Had one is the proper term. Bro, this one I need an anchor.
Huh?
This one you need an anchor.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm also gonna check for Cabela's for fishing.